round and after that we'll check the poll. Amazing, 73 watching, man. That's insane. Thanks a lot, guys. Do like the stream. Okay, we are playing an Iron from Gelman Alexander. इसके बाल वही है जो मेरे होंगे 2 साल बाद. और let's play.
Guys. अरे यार,
अरे Veles, अरे I like this. I just played this, guys. I showed this knight c3. I'm going to play what I played in the over the board game here. Ooh, he's playing the same thing. He's playing the same thing. क्या खेला था मैंने यहाँ पे? What did I play? I played bishop g6. Yes, I played bishop g6. I remember. I played bishop g6 and he played h4. Let's see. This guy played e4. This guy played e4. Okay, let's play e6. You also played h4. Okay, let's play h5. So guys, this is a interesting system because it's not so easy for both colors.
The pawn खाए नहीं.
I think we can go knight f6 here. Or we can even take. I don't think that's actually bad. Because d4 is hanging. I can't take immediately, of course, but okay, maybe knight f6 is the solid choice here. Tournament was amazing, Ambrish. It was amazing yesterday. Manali reached 3000 rating in tactics. That was amazing. We can go bishop b4. Seems interesting. If a3, we can come back even. We can actually do this, maybe. Can we do this? Maybe not. We'll just come back. Also attacking h4.
Он хитро играет. Надо, может, уже было e5, наверное.
Guys, I'm telling you, मुझे बोर्ड ही नहीं दिख रहा. कुछ भी खेल रही हो literally.
Swamiji, we'll do it soon. He played e5. अरे मैंने क्या shit! What did I just do, man? अरे यार, should I just focus on the game? Shit. I simply forgot, man. He can take. I should have taken here.
Идем в 3-0 пока.
Nice. It's not over. It's not over at least. We're still in the game.
Yeah, let's just hope for the best. We are going to lose this one. Matter of time. कितने time में हारते हैं?
Так, куда теперь?
I think knight a5 looks tempting. This maneuver.
Куда теперь?
The only question is, do I castle first or do I directly go for this? These two moves look interesting for the next move.
Давить, но они пока. Правда, наш 4 он может где-то взять. Уж зря ему отдаю.
Probably. Because this
Но
is a
это
forcing
как-то
move,
рискованно.
threatening this. And based on what he does, I can really take him with the queen.
चलो trap लगा
Он
देते हैं.
отсюда идет неприятно, да.
Because knight d5 we have queen d5, so that is no problem. Okay, he pre-moved knight c4. Guys, this is why I played bishop b4 to provoke a weakness with a3. Let's go b5. Let's go crazy, guys.
Wait, did not fall for it, of course.
They're threatening b4. b4 is a serious threat, guys. b4 is a serious threat. Because the knight will be under pin and then rook b8 will be serious attack. Let's see what he does. He's attacking himself. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Full on attack. Let's see who. I was about to say who comes first, but then I stopped. Okay, who attacks first? Ooh, knight a4. I missed that one.
Прет он. Любят они, ребята, здесь переть.
Let's go queen d7.
Давайте b3.
Okay, let's give this a check.
Может быть, конь c5 было интересно.
He blocked the queen side a little bit. I don't kind of like this.
Сюда ферзя.
And my king can't castle.
Пешку он оттяпал.
Let's play rook b8 and see.
Позиция сложная.
I'm threatening bishop b4.
Он b4 хочет.
Okay, queen c6 maybe now.
Вот так вот.
I just need to castle. If my king was here, I would be much better, man.
Подвязал.
I just can't castle here.
If you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear. What happened?
Давайте пробуем ферзь d3.
हाँ, I lost.
На G6.
Okay, now I take here
Или зря мы туда?
and we take here, I guess. Okay, we can't take actually. King
Может
F7.
быть, и зря мы туда.
This
Он
rook is the
еще
problem,
не
guys.
отдает.
This rook needs to be here, man. This knight is blocking the path.
Как нам туда прорваться?
Okay, we're threatening this right now.
А может быть и
Can you
никак.
mute, like,
Давайте
yourself?
пока так.
Or
Arey,
can
रुको,
you
एक
remove
second,
your
रुको, please, रुको. Let's go
Что-то как-то
97.
подозрительно опять.
Thanks, Yash. But अरे यार कितना गंदा गेम खेला मैं.
Rook b5 attacking this. It can't be defended, guys. It can't be defended now. The only question is if this check is serious. I'll probably go here.
Опять
We have to
подозрительно.
already do this. Arey yaar, we are running low on time, guys. Shit. This game looks a bit difficult. Maybe we should sacrifice this a2 pawn. That might make a lot of sense.
Guys, do like the stream and if you're
Okay,
new,
A5.
do subscribe to the channel.
Sacrifice exchange, guys. Sacrifice exchange. I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense here. Because his knight is the
Жертвует он.
strongest piece. Now, now we can probably move up pieces a
Назад
little
эту
bit.
мат
So
поставит.
king h7. Oh shit, time.
М,
Knight d7, guys. And rook. Now finally this rook can come into the game. Here, yes, attacking this. Okay, now rook here. Okay, rook is in the game. Okay, a4, yes, push. Okay, check. Oh shit! I made a mistake. Shit.
Time.
Arey yaar, I made a mistake, man. Rook, I missed he can capture with the pawn. Shit.
Playable, no?
Wait, what? He did not capture on c7? Why?
G4.
Acha, he was hanging.
Ой, ну сейчас...
Okay, let's. Oh, b3. Nice. Interesting move. Okay, it's not actually that interesting. I have to go for this, guys, and hope that this is a draw. I have some time. Okay, check. 94. King h6. Let's hope this is a draw, guys. Let's hope this is a draw. I'm counting on it. I have one pawn for the exchange, and I will hopefully capture at least. I don't know what will happen actually.
अरे yeah, if only you had tactics like me here in this situation.
Arey ha. I was probably getting. Okay. Okay, he did not play rook g5. Okay, let's play
Как
this.
бы вилку не зевнуть.
Crazy game, man.
He's playing for a draw, really?
No, he's playing for a win. He's just repeating once.
अरे draw हो गई ना?
नहीं हुई ना draw अभी नहीं हुई. Rook h1 अब पे draw होगी देखा. He did not repeat. Okay, so now back.
किधर जा रहे हो? मीट हो रही है. क्या ही tactics होते हैं यार तुम. क्या ही tactics है ये.
अरे शांति रखो. अरे यार क्या करूं? हार रहा हूं यार. I'm losing.
किसने बोला था पीछे जाने को? किंग आगे लेके जाते थे.
अरे यार shit यार. अरे यार. अरे यार shit यार. I was so close, man.
You were close, but then you
What did I miss? I don't know what did I miss
Abia.
actually. I think this was a draw for sure.
Тяжелая сегодня партия.
अरे 100 की watching. अरे मजे आ गए यार. मजे आ गए. Guys, do
Такие
like
прям
the stream. And if you're here for the first
занудно.
time, do subscribe to the channel, guys.
Вязкие.
पीछे जाओ एक मूव
It was
पीछे
very
जाओ.
interesting actually.
अरे नाइट D2 नो यार नाइट
Тяжелый, не хватает мне классу, чтобы обыграть вот так вот
नाइट H4
на классе.
किंग G4 F4 पे
Ну
जाना
хоть
अभी नहीं जा रहा
как-то,
ना.
नाइट F5
хоть кряхтя.
नहीं
Ah, knight
Давайте
f5, right?
поанализируем.
Yes. But okay, this is
Хоть
yes, this
кряхтя,
is a
хоть
draw. This is a
покряхивая.
win actually for
Win.
black. It's a win for black.
Покряхтывая.
Yeah, but he probably has better continuations. Yes. Knight f5, controlling d6. Yes.
Ой,
Amazing.
Гельман Фан, спасибо за дикое, страстное аргентинское танго.
Okay, poll क्या है? Let us see the
Это
poll.
вы есть.
Let us see the poll.
Спасибо. Ну,
अरे नहीं
и вам
सच में
тоже.
अभी
Александр